everybody, I'm Michelle Barber. I'm a nutrition specialist at American Dairy Association Northeast, a registered dietitian, and a mommy of 2 boys. And today I have one of my boys on this video to show you how to make...
I'm a cooker.
You're a cooker? Yeah. This cooker is on this video to show you how to make the most perfect homemade latte for your mom. Because you make this for me like every morning, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's so much fun to do, right? Yeah, so what's the first step? Can you tell everybody what the first step is? We're gonna put our Keurig cup into our Keurig. You're really good at this, Noli. Okay, and push it down. And then what are we gonna, we have to let it heat up first, right? Okay. And when we let that heat up, because how will we know it's heated up? It's a green screen, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna make our latte portion of it, okay?
Yep.
Okay, so this is good to go. So we have to hit, what's the most important thing to hit?
Strong.
Strong, and it's 10 ounces, and then you can hit the start button.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and that will brew coffee, and when that's brewing, we're gonna make our latte portion, right?
Okay.
So we have 1 cup of milk here. Can you pour the cup of milk into the mason jar for me?
Of course.
Of course. Great job, Nolan. And we have 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. Can you put that in?
It's little small.
Yeah, a little bit of it, right? Perfect. And then we have a tablespoon of honey. Do you want to do that too? Okay, pour that right in. Good job, Nolan. You're doing a great job. Okay, you're gonna lick that because you love honey, don't you? Okay, and what's the next step that we do? You love to do this stuff, don't you? We're gonna shake this all up, right? Shake, shake, shake. Good job, Nolan. And look, we have bubbles just like you would get in a latte at a coffee shop.
Okay, now put it down.
Yeah, we're not going to put it in the microwave right now, but if we normally put it in the microwave. And how long do we put it in the microwave for? 4, 5. And you always do that and press the numbers. And you can identify the number 4 and 5 because you make mommy's lattes every morning, right?
Yep.
Okay, and the last, but the next step is just to pour your little steamed milk with honey and cinnamon into your coffee. Yep, let it finish though, okay? That's a perfect idea. You can bring that down. And I love how you have safety precautions on and have your oven mitts on. Okay, it's ready. You can do it now, okay? Be very careful. It's hot. Put it down right here. Great job. And now pour our steamed milk into our latte. It smells good, right? And pour it right into the coffee. Good job, buddy. Okay, mommy made you some hot chocolate ahead of time, so you can enjoy some of that hot chocolate, but will you give me a cheers before?
Yep.
Okay. Cheers, everybody. Enjoy your coffee and enjoy your weekend. Can you say bye to everybody?
Bye.
Say bye. We'll see you later.
Woo!